Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Muhammad Ijaz. First of all, welcome to my YouTube channel Fundamentals of Plant Pathology. Today I will discuss about the topic Introduction to the Science of Plant Pathology or Phytopathology and its importance. Heinrich Anton de Berry considered as the father of plant pathology. Definition of plant pathology or phytopathology. It is the branch of agriculture, biological or botanical science which deal with the study of plant diseases, their causes, etiology, epidemiology, resulting losses and management. Relationship to other sciences. Plant pathology is related to many other sciences such as virology, mycology, bacteriology, microbiology, physiology, chemistry, genetics, biotechnology, etc., all of which provide the knowledge required for the correct diagnosis and management of plant diseases. Virology is the study of viruses, mycology is study of fungi, bacteriology is study of bacteria, microbiology the study of microorganisms, physiology study of functions, chemistry elements and compound, genetics study of genes, biotechnology use of humans to develop products. The objectives of plant pathology: to study living, non-living and environment causes of diseases or disorder of the plants, to study the mechanism of plant disease development, to study interaction between host susceptible and the pathogen, to develop system of management of plant diseases and reducing losses caused by them. लिविंग में आ जाते हैं बायोटिक फैक्टर्स, वाइल नॉन लिविंग एंड एनवायरनमेंट काजेज ऑफ डिसऑर्डर ये आ जाते हैं नॉन लिविंग फैक्टर्स में. ए बायोटिक फैक्टर्स और इनएनिमेट फैक्टर्स में आ जाते हैं. ओके, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ प्लांट डिजीज़ आर प्लांट पैथोलॉजी. Losses they cause. About 34% of the crop produce is lost annually due to diseases, insect pests and weeds on the global basis, out of which 12% is lost due to diseases such as fungi, bacteria or viruses, 11% due to nematodes, 7% due to insect pest and 3% due to weeds. When plant protection measures are not implemented, annual loss of 30 to 50% are common in major crops including horticulture. Epidemics. Late blight of potato caused by Phytophthora infestans was responsible for causing Irish famine in 1845 by destroying the potato crop, the staple food of the people. Hundreds of thousands of people died of hunger and disease. There was a large-scale migration of the population to other countries including North American continents. The population of Ireland was 8 million in 1940 which was reduced to 4 million after the famine. तो इससे हम देख सकते हैं कि जो ये सबसे पहला फमाइन आया था लेट ब्लाइट ऑफ पोटैटो काज्ड बाय फाइटोफथोरा इन्फेस्टेंस इन 1845 इन आयरलैंड, तो उससे इसकी बहुत आबादी मुतासर हुई है. 4 मिलियन पीपल रिड्यूस हुई है इन 1940. This single disease forced man to realize the importance of plant diseases and brought the science of plant pathology to limelight. Other famines. Wheat rust epidemics occurred from time to time in many countries. Wheat rust forced farmers to change their cropping pattern, crop rotation, and wheat was replaced by corn or maize or rye. Brown spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryzae. ब्राउन स्पॉट ऑफ राइस को हम बेंगल फमाइन भी कहते हैं. ब्राउन स्पॉट ऑफ राइस को हम बंगाल फमाइन भी कहते हैं. Brown spot of rice caused by Helminthosporium oryzae were responsible for Bengal famine in 1943, which many people think one of the reasons of the division of Bengal. Coffee rust caused by Hemilia vastatrix forced to cut down the coffee plants in Sri Lanka in 1867. Poultry mildew of grapevine caused by Ancinola nectar reduced the French wine production by 80% in 1854. In 1878, the downy mildew caused by Plasmopora viticola ultimately led to the discovery of Bordeaux mixture. Effect on society. Infected grains or the fruit may contain toxins such as aflatoxin, fuminosins, which cause insanity, paralysis, stomach disorder, and liver cancer. Toxin, anything which is harmful to humans or animals, known as toxins. The money spent on the management of plant disease is also a loss. हम बहुत ज़्यादा दवाइयाँ बाहर से परचेज करते हैं for the management of plant disease. So it is also a big problem because in the absence of disease this money could be saved. There are many other implications on the transport and agro-based industry in the event of plant disease inflicted yield loss. There is restriction on the movement of food grains and other agriculture products due to the threat of quarantine pathogens. Quarantine restriction of on the movements होता है food, humans, foods, anything of quarantine pathogens and pesticide residue in the produce causing further loss. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.